Hey everyone, so today I have this, which is one of the notwoways sneaker mystery boxes. I have had such a shit day at work, so I'm hoping that this is going to be fruitful for me. It's going to be a pair that I actually want. So yeah, here it is. I haven't opened it yet. I've just got back from work. And yeah, let's get it open. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Like, the only ones I don't hope that it is are the high top ones or the foam ones. I don't like them. The other ones, I like all of the M1 ones, I think they're called. But I don't have any other notwoways, so everything else is going to be new to me. So let's okay, so here is the box. The side has something written on it, but I don't know what it is. But what do we have? So all of these have a scratch card in them, which is pretty cool. So you got some notwoways socks, white and black. Now, looking from the size of this and this up here, I'm kind of hoping that it's the kind of ones that I want. Okay, not the colour that I would have picked, but okay, these look massive. I read online that they do tend to be running a little bit big, and these look pretty damn huge, to be honest. But yeah, these are pretty nice. They feel like they'd be comfortable. I'm going to try them on, but I can't remember what these are called. Are these the M1s? They're not the M1s because they've got like the sock kind of design. I don't think the M1s have that. Are they even called M1s? Oh my god, can you tell that I'm new to the world of notwoways? But these look really big. They look massive. I like them. I don't have that many like white trainers, to be honest. But I do quite like these. I'm not disappointed. If I'd got the high top ones, I would have been disappointed, I think. But these, I like the design of the shoe. If they fit or not is another matter. I'll leave a comment, pin a comment down below to let you know if these actually fit or not. But yeah, there are my pair from notwoways. So this is just a short one because I'm stressed. Oh, in fact, shall we do my scratch card? Shall we do my scratch card? I don't know what it is. Reveal prize. Okay, reveal prize. What is the prize? Okay. So, okay. So you got to reveal 3 codes to win. 3 icons to win. So, I have won a £20 voucher. So that's pretty good. Can't complain at that too much. I don't know if there's like, oh, there's terms and conditions on the back. So, yeah. So for 65 quid, I don't think that was bad at all. Like the trainers. Just hope they fit. But yeah, and I got 2 pairs of socks free as well. So yeah, can't complain too much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.